At Kolba police station, we have registered an offence under cheating, wherein one Dr. Ashley Fernandez, who is a resident of Kolba, has filed a complaint, wherein he said that he booked 4 tickets of coldplay concert to be held in Navi Mumbai on 18th of January, that's tomorrow. So for this booking, he had gone on online website called Viago. And on Viago, anybody can resell their original tickets at inflated prices. So there's one Karim Khan seller from Karol Bagh, Delhi, who shipped the consignment through Blue Dart services as per Viago website. Now, on 14th, he receives a call saying that you will be receiving the tickets parcel on 18th. So, and the concert is also on 18th, so having taken the time, he will not reach for the concert. So Viago then calls him and says that either you can give another address of near and dear ones in Mumbai where it will be given, and then you can collect it as you are going there. So then he gives him the updated address of Mumbai. Simultaneously, he receives a message from Blue Dart informing that the consignment has been delivered at Naveli. Now the CCTV footages showed that of the Blue Dart office in Naveli showed that one person by name Tushar bansal is receiving the consignment on 14th of January at around 10 a.m. in the morning. So the complainant came to the police station because already the address is given on the Viago website, and when he had already received a call that it will be delivered on 18th and he is changing the address, updating the address, how can the parcel consignment be received at Naveli on 14th itself? And it is already claimed and received by a person called Tushar bansal over here. So he files a complaint at Kolba police station on 14th. Having done the preliminary inquiry at Kolba police station, we got the offence registered under cheating and the investigation was taken up. What we found strange was on that same time when the consignment was received, after a short time, this same person books another 6 consignment for Mumbai office. And very next day in the morning, the same person claims the consignment in Mumbai. So we found suspicion in this. And when we go to see in Mumbai office also on the earlier day, on 14th, that is on 13th, the same person is doing this parcel for Goa consignment. And he travels by train, comes to Goa and claims the same parcel from the Blue Dart office. Again, he puts in another 6 parcels which goes to Mumbai. Again, he travels to Mumbai and he claims those parcels. So we found the movements of this person very suspicious. So it is during that time our swift investigation, technically and through surveillance, we could jot down that this person was in Mumbai. Our team was dispatched to Mumbai, headed by PSI Anil T. Krishna of Kolba Police Station and PC Keshav on 15th itself, and the accused was nabbed in Santa Cruz with the help of Santa Cruz West Police Station, Mumbai. The name of accused is Tushar bansal. He is aged 25 years. He is a resident of Budh Vihar Phase 1, North West, Delhi. He has been brought to Goa, arrested. Today we have produced him before GMFC. While booking the ticket, each ticket is worth $1,000, which is coming to around 3,86,000 for 4 tickets. So that much is the money which has been involved in these cheating cases.